In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect your guitar and your vocal mic to an interface and then be able to stream or record on your iPhone. And the main ingredient for all that is this adapter right here. It's a lightning adapter, and we're going to connect the interface here, and then we're going to power it here. All right, so let's get to it. I'll show you how to do that right now. Connect it to the power source. I had to unplug it and replug it a few times, but I finally got a prompt that said audio device detected, and you're gonna hit allow to use, and then you should be able to use the mic. As you can see, the mic, you see the two monitors. As I'm hitting it, it's picking that up. Audio check 1, 2, audio check, so you can hear it. It's being recorded. And then the guitar. All right, so that's it. You should be able to record or live stream with that all connected, the guitar into the Mookie device. Just so you know, USB out to the Mookie to the phone, and then you got to put the external power in there. So external power is right here, Mookie right here, directly into the app, and then you'll be able to record. Just got to wait for the prompt to tell you that external audio device is detected. And that's it. Hope you found that useful. Bye.